Hello, 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 Glam Crew. It is your girl, Nikki, the Glam Teacher. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, stay tuned, watch the full video. We talk about everything fashion, beauty, lifestyle, travel, and most importantly, loving ourselves. So, in today's video, I am looking for some outfits to help me feel more confident. I'm usually wearing something like this, which keeps me comfortable, but I want something that helps me feel more confident. So, I am trying out different styles. We are at Marshall's, and this first dress right here is so beautiful. Oh my goodness, so freaking beautiful. I like that it is cinching in my waist and then flowing down to give my voluptuous, lovely hips space to sway. Also, that little thing, the thing back there can jiggle, wiggle, wiggle, and it's not such an obvious jiggle, wiggle, because sometimes you just don't want all of the extra attention and you still want to feel comfortable, confident, and cute without showing all of the goodies. Gotta leave a little bit of a mystery. This dress feels really smooth. The price, I believe, was $40 or $50. It's a bit steep, and I think that is where my problem is. Sometimes, not all the time, but what I mean is I'm buying clothes that are cheap. So I need to get my wardrobe together with some good quality clothing that is not cheap, something that I can wear for a long time, that is not going to look tarnished. Not tarnished, but y'all get what I mean. But something that is not going to look dry and washed out, not going to stretch out and just look sloppy. I want to look well put together. I got some nice events coming up. I am going to be going to a woman's conference. I'm going to be heading to some retreats and going to visit some art museums, just some places that are out of my norm, but I want to represent myself in a comfortable yet confident way. Now, this next dress right here, I am so in love with it, but I feel it is a bit tight going across my chest area. I love that it has pockets like the first dress, and it cinches in at the waist and is very flowy. It is long, not short, so everything is covered and looking really presentable. I can twerk if I want to twerk, and nothing is just popping out and looking like, girl, go sit down. Don't bring that whole ghetto energy up in here. Anyhow, this dress is very breathable, very flowy. Look at me in the mirror. I am loving how this looks on me. This is like my absolutely favorite thing in my closet because I definitely brought this home with me. Yay! And I thought it was going to be see-through, and it is actually not. That thing is fully covered. There is actually like a underlining, a slip that helps this dress not be see-through and gives you more coverage. It's still breathable. The ruffles in it are super cute, super girly. The design is beautiful. Vibrant colors flowing. I love it. Can't wait to wear it. Now, I need to find a few pair of pants and some dressy shirts because not all events require dresses. And yeah, I don't know what I found in the pockets of this, but we're gonna put that little tag back. I don't know. Let Marshalls figure it out. Anyhow, these are these pants and they were a pretty good price. That's the brand and the size. So if you have a similar body type and you are looking for these, then you will know what to get. I I have space in the waist area and they are very stretchy. I just think going across my backside, it's a little tight, just a little bit. But I love the pockets, and at the ankles, you can cinch it up a little bit more. I do wish there was more material in the thigh area, but I don't think that's going to happen in these cargo pants. So, yeah, this is what we working with, Glam Crew. Drop in the comments what you think so far. Let me know some good places to go look for. I don't know what we want to call these. Modest clothes, girly clothes, statement pieces, something that you can keep and mix and match in your closet for different special events. Now, these white pants here, they are like a linen knit material. So it has a little bit of linen and knit. It's not tight like most linen material. It has a little bit of stretch. You see right here, I can stretch and move in it, and it is not cutting off the circulation going around my hips. And I like that. I don't like that these are kind of thin and a little too thin to where I feel it's see-through. So, Glam Crew, what do you think about these pants? I did not get these pants, but I've been thinking about going back. Here's some more shirts that I got. This shirt that I currently have on, the blue one, it's like an athletic type of material, very breathable for a hot day. Like if you're going to the tennis courts or to a golf event, you can still be breathable and not be, So these clothing that is left here for me to try on, I'm just showing you the prices and the size. That way you can figure out what is going to work for your budget and for your fitting. Like I said, I want to be more confident. These are pretty comfortable, but unfortunately, I feel like when I bend over, it's just gonna have that booty out. And my butt is just poking out too much. And I don't want to bring on all the attention. Okay? I just want to enjoy myself in the moment at the event and not have everyone like, oh, look at that booty. Yeah, I don't like all that. So, anyhow, these next pair of pants, I am in love with them. They come with a belt, so that is like a little extra added, take these home. But the belt does not stay as tight as I want it. I probably could have got these and just made another hole in the belt, but I didn't. Y'all, this floor was dirty and it got my feet looking black. The mirror was dirty. Marshalls, Now, this was my first time at this location, but the dressing room, I'm just not impressed. Most of the time, Marshalls has it all together. There's like an attendant that is there keeping everything clean, but today, it's like they did not care. they haven't carried in a long time. Anyhow, I feel like these are a bit big, but it has plenty of room to shake, twerk something if I want to twerk something. Even though we trying to keep it a little classy. A little classy. But yeah, that's that. This next pair, oh, actually, this is the same pair of pants. Hee hee, my bad. So actually, this is a different top. I do not like that this top, it feels like a baby doll type top, and it's not long enough. I have a big chest. I am a 38 triple D. I feel like I've gone down since I've lost weight. I'm going to go get measured and buy some new bras. But for now, we're going to go with 38, or no, 40. 40 triple D is what I last was when I got measured. However, I just feel like I want this top to be a little longer. That way, when I'm bending over or moving, I might be dancing, raising up my hands or something. I have just a bit more coverage and my midsection is not exposed. Besides that, the bows on it is cute. The stripes are cute. If it was a little bit longer, I would be completely happy. Now this next top, it does tie at the bottom. So that's really cute. I didn't make it like that. It came like that. Gives it like a cute business casual chic type of vibe. It is super soft. And got a little pocket right there. It is super soft. I love that about this shirt. The buttons are easy to snap and you just tie it right there. Has a cute little collar. I definitely can see myself wearing this with a nice pair of slacks to the museum or an art show, maybe even at the women's conference. What do you all think about this shirt? It's not see-through, and the stripes kind of make it more business-like instead of like a plain something. I don't know if y'all understand me, but I think I'm going to get more into stripes and polka dots because I don't know, stripes and polka dots just seem bold and powerful and confident. Let me know, Glam Crew. Thank you for watching. Like this video, share, subscribe, all of that. Bye. Mwah.